That lane is to turn, okay?
Buddy, thought I'd bring it out now. Right here, see that Jeep? Yeah, we expect that. You get into heavy traffic, everybody wants to budge ahead. You know, it happens, whatever. You know, that's why we leave a little extra room in front of us. You know, try and be nice to the jerks who are trying to rush ahead. But wait, what the hell is this guy doing? I thought commercial drivers, I thought we were supposed to be professionals. So this guy rushes all the way up the exit lane to try and get ahead of everybody and then has to force his way back in. Well, I mean, I'm going to be a nice guy and let him in just so that we don't cause an accident, but come on, people. Let's have a little respect, you know, abide by traffic laws. Get into traffic when you're supposed to move over, you know. The solid lines mean do not merge. Once you get to that point of the solid line, you need to just stop and move over. Don't go forcing your way in, causing a dangerous situation.
No creo, pero seguro de ella. Sí, ¿por qué no has cobrado esa plata?
Porque no sé, o sea, nunca me di tiempo para ir al Seguro Social. Pero no sé si tengo que traer la firma de los 3 hijos, no sé cómo será el asunto.
Si comparten un cuarto de hotel entre amigos. Get her happy ending.
I'm done about this.
Oops. Yeah, I'm at 3rd Street Southwest and 16th Avenue. There's just a really bad car accident here. Airbags are blown. The guy didn't stop. He was going like 40, 50 miles an hour. There's a car in somebody's front yard. So there's... All right. Okay, thank you.
Circle where that car is coming out. Oh, snap! Sorry, sorry. I'm all talking to you. My bad. I'm so sorry.
That was my fault still.
I know you're good. we would have had to call Top Dog.
Oh, yeah.
I'll see you. Thank you so
You're
much. You
welcome.
get home safely.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.